In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to activate a Canva Pro or Canva Business free trial. Hi everyone! If you've been curious about unlocking Canva's premium features, like brand kits, premium templates, and advanced collaboration, this quick walkthrough will show you exactly how to start your 30-day free trial without any confusion. First, open canva.com in your web browser and log into your existing Canva account. You'll need to be signed in to begin the trial. If you're already logged in, you're all set. Make sure your internet connection is stable so pages load quickly and you can complete the process in one go. Once you're on your Canva home screen, look toward the top right corner. You should see an option that says Try Canva Pro or Try Canva Business. The wording you see may depend on what's available in your region or what best fits your account, but either option will lead you to the free trial. Click that button to continue. On the next screen, choose Try it for 30 days. This confirms you're starting the free trial rather than purchasing outright. You'll usually see the plan details here, including what's included and the price that applies after the trial ends. Take a quick moment to double-check the plan name and confirm it's the one you want during the trial period. Next, enter your payment details. Canva requires a payment method to activate the trial, even though you won't be charged today. Supported payment types can vary, but most users can add a credit or debit card. Be sure the billing information matches your card details to avoid errors. If you have any promo codes or regional pricing adjustments available, this is typically where they're applied automatically. After you've filled in your payment information, confirm your selection. Your Canva Pro or Canva Business trial should activate instantly. You'll know it's active when you see premium assets available, brand kit options unlocked, and features like background remover or advanced templates ready to use. If something doesn't appear right away, refresh the page and give it a moment to update across your account. A quick tip before we wrap up. Note the trial end date shown in your billing details so you can decide whether to continue or cancel before the period ends. That way, there are no surprises. And that's how you activate a 30-day free trial for Canva Pro or Canva Business. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.